Hello everyone! Happy September 24th. Today we celebrate punctuation, cherries, and the joy of crafting. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Punctuation Day. A clever celebration of commas, periods, and all things grammatical. A great gift could be a witty grammar mug, a punctuation-themed notebook, or a book on writing style. What's your favorite punctuation mark? Let's punctuate the comments. Next, it's Cherries Jubilee Day. A sweet and fiery dessert that's both elegant and nostalgic. A tasty gift could be a cherry dessert kit, a vintage recipe card, or a set of Flambé-safe cookware. Ever tried making it at home? Let's stir up some dessert talk below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Craft Distillery Day. A toast to small batch spirits and artisanal flavor. A thoughtful gift could be a tasting flight set, a cocktail recipe book, or a distillery tour voucher. What's your favorite craft cocktail? Let's raise a glass in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 21st to 25th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome.